For PDFs, Microsoft Documents, or any other files you wish for students to access, there is an easy way to add files to the course. Before uploading any files, consider the best practice of giving your files a descriptive, readable, and meaningful title. Something like this doesn't tell us what is inside the file. If you want to make links to the file in the future, figuring out what an ambiguously named file and the filing structure will be difficult. Something like this clearly lets me know what the contents of the document are. Also, since the default text for the link is generated based on the file name, it is a good idea to make the file title reflect what you want it to show on the page, meaning using title casing, spaces, and appropriate use of punctuation. This helps with making your course links accessible and also useful if you plan on linking this file in other parts of the course later. With the best practices in mind, let's upload a file. You will want to navigate to a piece of content in the course. This can be a page like the home page, overviews, the Canvas syllabus, assignments, quizzes, discussions, and announcements. On the content page, click on the Edit button. Place your text cursor where you want the link of your file to appear in the Rich Content Editor field. In the toolbar, click on the drop-down arrow next to the file icon. If the file is already uploaded, you should choose Course Documents. There, you can look through the course files and find the file you want to add. Do this to avoid uploading potential duplicates of files. Since we are going to upload a new file, we're going to click on the menu option, Upload Document. Now, in the Upload File menu, you can either click in the Upload File box to have the browse window appear so you can navigate to and select the file you want to upload, or you can drag and drop the file in the box. When done, click on the blue Submit button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up menu. Once the Submit button is clicked, the file should appear where the cursor was placed in the Rich Content Editor field. With the link placed, at this point, you can just delete the extension for the file by highlighting it and pressing backspace on the keyboard. Remember, when making any changes to your content, click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. Please check out our faculty resource site for more tutorials, as well as information on how to reach out to ATD with any questions or any assistance needs you may have. Thanks for watching.